Welcome to our channel. If you want to download Audible books for offline listening, follow these step-by-step instructions to save audiobooks to your device. Step 1. Open the Audible app on your smartphone or tablet. The mobile app is required for offline downloads as the website only supports streaming. Step 2. Log in to your Audible account using your Amazon credentials or Audible username and password. Step 3. Tap on Library at the bottom of the screen to view all the audiobooks you own or have credits for. Step 4. Find the audiobook you want to download for offline listening by scrolling through your library or using the search function. Step 5. Tap the download icon, cloud with downward arrow, next to the audiobook title to begin downloading it to your device. Step 6. Wait for the download to complete. The progress bar will show how much has been downloaded. Large audiobooks can take several minutes on slower connections. Step 7. Once downloaded, the cloud icon will change to a check mark, indicating the audiobook is now available offline on your device. Step 8. To play your downloaded audiobook, tap on it in your library. It will play directly from your device without requiring an internet connection. Step 9. Manage your downloads by going to Settings in the app, where you can remove downloaded titles to free up storage space when needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.